One of my favorite tools to use in the kitchen is the air fryer, and today we are making air fry shrimp fajitas. This recipe is so easy. I have to tell you a little secret. These little air fry filler sheets are absolutely amazing and make cleanup super easy. Let's dive into today's recipe. There we have it, air fryer shrimp fajitas. As you can see, this is a huge volume. This whole recipe makes one serving. It is gonna be packed with protein, and there's also some carbohydrates in the vegetables and the seasoning. Now, if you want a little bit more carbohydrates, you can add a tortilla. Make sure you give this one a try and leave it 5 stars.